environmentalists. The museum acts as a crucible for incubating and testing groundbreaking ideas before they become reality. What sets this museum apart is its integration of cutting-edge technology to elevate the visitor experience. Virtual reality exhibits and interactive displays redefine the traditional museum visit, offering a glimpse into the future of cultural exploration. The Green Hill building and void serve as realms of exploration. In the Green Hill Zone, a garden of futuristic plants paints a vivid picture of what our future environment might entail. The building zone showcases the latest technological innovations, while the void zone challenges our perceptions of reality and prompts contemplation on the potential of emerging technologies. In essence, the Museum of the Future transcends. Its title. It's a living testament to the synergy of technology, art, and boundless imagination. By bridging the present and the future, the museum invites visitors to envision the limitless possibilities that lie ahead and dream of a world not yet realized.